My Call of Duty Go stopped working the other day, and I was wondering why, so I took it to the Xbox, looked at it, and that is why. Crack. If you can see right there, it's a crack. So, I'm going to show you guys how to fix this. First, you're going to need a pellet gun, or an airsoft gun, whatever you want to use.
What you want to do, find a place to put it, load your gun, and just shoot it. Piss.
Next, what you want to do, bring it inside, see if it works. And if it doesn't work, then you're just going to want to break it more. And now, it should work.